Okay, and I'll have you sit on up. We will do some neurological function testing. So close your eyes for me. I'm going to put something in your hand. I want you to tell me what it is.
Calm.
Good. Okay. Now I have a soft and a sharp side. I'm going to put it on, I'm going to touch your face with it, your arm, and your legs. And you tell me whether you feel soft or sharp, okay?
Soft. 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 Hard. Sharp. Sharp.
Good. Okay. Also, we will do what's called a Romberg test. I'll have you stand back up. Feet together, palms up, eyes closed. Just stand for 20 seconds. And for timing purposes, we'll pretend it's been 20 seconds, but that is just testing your gait, making sure you're balanced and you're not about to fall over. Then I'll have you walk straight across the room, checking your walking ability. And then we'll also do what's called the Romberg test. I'm sorry, we just did that. We'll do some rapid hand movements. So go finger to nose. Good. All right. Now I'm going to, it's called the position sense test. So close your eyes. I'm going to take your finger. I'm either going to move it up or down and tell me which direction we're going.
Up.
Okay. I'll have you sit back down for me because I need to do the same thing on your toes. Are we going up or down?
Down.
Good. Okay. I'm sorry, I'll have you stand up one more time. Let's have you do a shallow knee bend. Good. Can you twist from side to side? Can you hyperextend? Can you do a lateral bend side to side? Can you bend down and touch your toes? Good. That's also a good test for scoliosis checking. I just want to look over my notes, make sure we didn't miss anything. I believe we covered everything. That completes the exam. Thank you.